So here's a video of me bringing our new forwarder tire to the forwarder. I was hoping that the tire guys were going to be there today so I could show them taking the old tire off and putting that new tire on the rim, but they weren't able to go the same time that I was, so I showed you guys a short little video of just kind of what it takes before they come and a little bit of explanation of what they're going to do. So enjoy the video. Thanks. So we got to get that tire out, and somebody was supposed to undo these links. Said he couldn't because the nuts were too tight, but oh wait a minute, they're not. So I gotta undo those links and separate the tracks so that when the tire guys come, they can take that tire off. Now, time to get that out of there. Diesel. Diesel. Hey. Come on. There. It's a little different than the old one. Right, Diesel? So, we put a patch in this last winter, and they just, wherever it blows out, which is right in here, they put a patch on the inside of the tire, and then they put this tube in right here, and that's what pretty much what keeps your tire together. And that tube presses against the patch until that patch moves enough or wears on the tube until the tube will lose, is what usually ends up losing the air. So we did do it to that tire this spring. That's the tube right there that'll go in that new tire. It gets to the point where it's really, I'm gonna learn my lesson with time, but you just don't win putting patches on. It's like $500 by the time they come out and do it. Lost time where you could just buy a new tire.